In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize Clipchamp to manage your media files effectively. This straightforward tutorial is perfect for both beginners and those who want to brush up on their digital editing skills. Let's jump right in and make sure you feel comfortable and confident throughout the entire process. First, we're going to start by opening up Clipchamp. If you haven't done so yet, Clipchamp is a versatile tool that offers a range of features for video editing and media management. It's a fantastic asset for anyone wanting to create professional quality content with ease. So don't worry if you're just getting started. This tool is designed to be user-friendly. You'll need to open Clipchamp in your favorite web browser. It's easily accessible online, so as long as you have an internet connection, you're good to go. You might want to bookmark it for future reference if this is something you'll use frequently. Once you have Clipchamp open and ready, the second step is heading to the Media section. This is where you'll manage your files. If you've worked with digital content before, this environment might feel familiar. Digital media can be comprised of anything from video clips and audio tracks to images, all of which you can upload and organize in Clipchamp. Now, one of the key tasks is exporting files in your preferred quality. The process is simple. After selecting your media, look for the Export button. Clicking it will open a menu where you can choose the quality of your export. Quality options can vary, so think about what you need for your project. Higher quality means better visuals, but it's usually a larger file size, so keep that balance in mind. Once you've selected your desired quality, Clipchamp will handle the rest. Remember, patience is key here, as some exports might take a bit longer depending on your specifications and your internet speed. After your file has successfully exported, the final step is straightforward, downloading it to your computer. Clipchamp provides a seamless Save to your computer option after your file is loaded, which makes this process intuitive. Clicking Save will allow you to download the file directly to your machine. Make sure you remember the location or folder where you're saving your file, so you can easily find it when you need to use or share it. With these steps complete, you've successfully exported and saved your media file from Clipchamp, ready for use wherever you need it. Completing these steps signifies that you've managed your media files efficiently using Clipchamp, making your tasks not just easier, but also more organized. Congratulations on making it through this process. Hopefully, this video has been informative and will empower you to handle digital media management tasks with greater confidence in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!